This time, we'll go over 5 key points to check if the Soosan drilling machine doesn't start. If the drilling machine doesn't start, the first thing you should do is to check if there is fuel in the fuel tank of the machine. You can check the fuel level on the fuel gauge inside the cabin or on the external fuel tank gauge, and if it's low, make sure to refill it. After refueling, press the hand pump located on the front of the engine or on the fuel-water separator several times to create pressure in the fuel line. Second, check the battery voltage of the machine. The battery voltage should be at least 25 volts. Third, ensure that the emergency stop switch is not engaged. The emergency stop switch is located inside the cabin, and there may be equipment where an additional emergency stop switch is installed in a different way, depending on the options. So please refer to the video for further details. If you are using electronic equipment, you should also check if the monitor inside the cabin is displaying properly. Fourth, check if the hydraulic lock switch inside the cabin is engaged. The hydraulic lock switch prevents the drifter and driving functions of the machine from operating suddenly when starting the engine. If the hydraulic lock switch is engaged, it cuts off the current to the engine starter motor, which is why the machine won't start. Fifth, check the fuses inside the electrical box of the machine. Use a multimeter to check the condition of the fuses, and if you find any blown fuses, replace them. Sixth, when the ignition key is in the on position, listen for the sound of the engine starter motor to see if it's rotating. If you have checked all 6 points, including the fuel level, battery voltage, emergency stop switch, fuses, and the condition of the starter motor, but the machine still won't start, please contact the Soosan Heavy Industries customer service team at 1644-0041 to arrange for maintenance with a service engineer. This concludes our guide on what to check if the Soosan drilling machine doesn't start. If you have any questions while watching the video, feel free to leave a comment and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.